all my dear friends. My name is Daniela Agudu, and today I'll tell you a few things about Nigeria's Independence Day. Independence Day is a revered day. It's a remembrance and a celebration of Nigeria's freedom from the British rule. On this day in 1960, Nigeria became independent. Hence, Nigerians celebrate every first of October to mark this national festival and holiday. On this day, the President of Nigeria hoists the Nigerian flag at the Eagle Square Stadium in Abuja, accompanied by a parade by the military, navy, and police. In schools, many cultural activities like dance, music, sports, etc. are organized. I love my country so much and I'm proud to be a Nigerian.
Nigeria has over 500 indigenous languages. Nigeria is the largest producer of oil and gas in Africa.
Nigeria is the most populous black nation on earth. Nigerian women are beautiful, strong, and entrepreneurial. Nigerians are known to be intelligent and hardworking people. More than 250 ethnic groups are found in Nigeria.
Professor Wale Soyinka in Nigeria was the first African to receive a Nobel Prize for Literature. The second world largest film industry is the Nigerian-made industry. Nigeria has over 250 ethnic groups. Nigeria is a multilingual state with over 250 ethnic groups. Nigeria is the giant of Africa. Nigeria has the largest economy in Africa. Nigeria is the seventh most populous country in the world. Nigeria has an area of 923,769 kilometers. That makes it the 32nd largest country in the world by land area.
As Nigeria celebrates our 64th Independence Day, I would like us to reflect on the following quotes of people from substance and knowledge. Nation and governments come and go, but people remain, and therefore people are the ultimate foundation of what is big and of what is real and worthy.
Even as individuals become families, and families become communities, and communities become nations, so eventually must the nation draw together in peace.
The propitious smiles of heaven can never be expected on a nation that disregards the eternal rules of order and right which heaven itself considers.
To keep any great nation up to a high standard of civilization, there must be enough superior characters to hold the balance of power. But the very moment the balance of power gets into the hands of second-rate men and women, a decline of that nation is inevitable.
When you fight for yourself, you will awaken the coalitions. But when you fight for people, you will awaken the nation.
Nigeria, we're still the best. We are Nigeria. We are. Yes, we are. Still the best. Above the rest. Anywhere you meet us, we are always different. Giants of Africa, we make the difference.